How to fix randomly shuts off in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, check volume and power key. Check power off or volume down key. Now press volume down key. Click on three dots. Set volumes. Now go back. After that, turn off auto restart. Open settings, scroll down, search auto. Go back, scroll down, click on device care, scroll down, click on auto optimization, click on auto restart. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off auto restart. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix randomly shuts off in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.